Are you a skincare enthusiast? Do you love handmade and natural skincare products? Do you want to learn how to make beautiful handmade and natural skincare products? Hi, I am Ruparna Ghosh Manchanda. I am a skincare instructor and a skincare formulator. You can follow me at Millies Natural Beauty in Instagram, and also like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel of Millies Natural Beauty, where every week I share skincare DIY videos which you can make it at home. So yes, if you want to learn beautiful handmade skincare products, do you want to see how do they look? See, aren't these beautiful handmade skincare products? So this is beard clay wax, this is cocoa mango berry body butter, and it has a very amazing color. This is skin brightening facial scrub, which is of turmeric, and many more natural skincare products. So you all can learn how to make this beautiful handmade skincare products. Every week I put a recorded course on my website of mnbbeautystore.com, where you can purchase the recorded course for just 99 rupees with whole video processing and also ingredient knowledge PDF and formulation chart. And also, if you want to purchase these beautiful, amazing, natural and handmade skincare product, you can log in again to mnbbeautystore.com. So for more knowledge on DIY skincare at home, like, share and subscribe my channel, and want to learn more about handmade skincare product, log in to mnbbeautystore.com. Thank you.